Hey guys, it's Mike, aka Prime. I'm back again. So last week Windows 11 came out with a new upgrade. So I was going to do a tutorial on how to download it and upgrade it. And if you have issues, there's an issue going around. Like if you don't meet minimum requirements, there's a couple like tweaks you can do to get the computer to work as long as it's a 64-bit processor. That's very important. If you have a very old processor that's on 32, then you can't do this. But if you have 64-bit processor, you're fine. If you have a newer computer, you should be fine regardless because it's for 64-bit. But sometimes you get an error message, as you can see, that says that your computer doesn't meet requirements. But let's start. First, what you should do, just go open up your browser. You know me, I always go to Google, and you want to type in Windows 11 download. So within here, you click on this link, download Windows 11. Alright, so you have your options right here. What I will do is I'll do this right here where it says create Windows 11 installation media. Click download. Alright, so you click that, open media creation tool. Just give it a sec to gather your information, your things. Alright, and then once you get this screen, what you're going to do is you're going to hit accept. Alright, so when you get here, just use the recommended options, hit next. So what we're going to do is you can put it on the flash drive if you want. Only do that if you want to keep the media. If not, you could just put it on your actual computer, save it on there. So I'll hit next, and you'll download the ISO to whatever folder you want to. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. Hit save. And now it'll start downloading. Okay, so once it's done downloading, you want to go to wherever you downloaded it. I have the ISO right here. It should be Windows 11 English, if you're English, hopefully. If not, then whatever language you are, you can select that one as well. And then what you want to do is right click on it, open with, and then do Windows Explorer. So in here you'll see the options right here. So this step is for people that are meeting the requirements, right? So all you gotta do is double click on this, and then this should give you the option to just upgrade your computer because you meet the requirements. Let's just go through this real quick. Alright, so like let's say if you try to do it and you get this error message, see, I don't meet the requirements for this. Alright, so there's a couple things we got to do to get this fixed. First, we got to go to regedit. If you go to the bottom left corner, you'll see the search box. You're going to type regedit. Alright, within regedit, let's just back this all up. So you're going to go into this HKey local machine, and then within there you're going to go to system, and then within there you're going to setup, right? So okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to right click here, go to new, and put key. Within there you're going to type in lab config, capital C, and hit enter. I already did it, so that's why I'm getting the error message. So once you get that, you're going to double click on it, and then you're going to right click and go again. You're going to go to new, but this time you're going to do dword 32-bit value. Alright? Within there, you're going to type these two. So you're going to type bypass secure boot check, and then you can do bypass TPM check. Once you do that, you'll click on both of them, and you want to make the value 1. Close it. Click on this one, make that 1, and then close it. After you're done with that, you can close this out. You can close this out too because we're going to start this up later. Alright, once it's closed out, what we're going to do is you're going to highlight all this, copy, and let's just put it on our desktop for now. So we're going to make a new folder, label it Windows 11, double click on that folder, and then paste. I'm going to paste all our content into there. Let's give this a sec. It takes a little bit. Okay, so once it's copied over, the folder we want is the sources folder. Double click on the sources folder. Alright, so we're going to come down, and this is the file we need to edit. This is what's preventing us from getting it. That's how we're getting the error message. So what you want to do is right click on it, rename, just type old, .old. Once you're done that, go back. Now you're going to right click on setup, and you're going to go run as administrator. Once we go to run as administrator, you want to go here, change how setup downloads updates. Right there, you hit right now, select next. Accept. And now, as you see, we got further than before. So if you want to keep your files and everything in your applications, make sure you do these two. If not, you can go in here, you can change it, but I want to keep everything. So I'm going to keep all my files. I'm hitting next. And this is when it starts the actual installation of Windows 11. So you should get your screen when you get back. Type a password if you have one. Alright guys, as you can see, we upgraded it, and now this is the new Windows 11. Just to verify, you can go here, go to control panel, go to system, and you can see it just looks different. You can just tell it's different. And then here we go, Windows 11 Pro. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll do a tutorial on like the new features and the new stuff we have after we can play around with it together. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good one.